If you guys would like a full-length, written, step-by-step tutorial along with this video, you can go to marvelousnesstv.com and you can get a list of all the ingredients in the description down below. The first step is to start adding your dry ingredients. Now, I personally use yellow cake. You can use white cake. You can almost use whatever flavor you want to, but it is apple pie, so you kind of want to keep it traditional. I just think yellow cake is super moist. And then you're going to add your ground cinnamon and your ground nutmeg. And then start mixing it together. Puss, puss, ow, 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 honey, honey, And then add your melted butter to the mixture. Now, don't be an idiot like me. Make sure your mixer isn't on before you plug it in, because that could have been really bad. Luckily, it was only on speed 1, because that could have just been, oh my God. But yes. Now, go ahead and spray down your crock pot. This just makes it easy, breezy, beautiful for cleanup. Now, go ahead and add your pie filling. Sometimes you have to smack this little butt because it is hard to get the pie filling out of there, or take a knife and just go around the edges. Now, go ahead and lay the pie crust on top of the apple pie filling. Look how good that looks. Oh my God. Yes, Gaga. Yes, Mama. Now, this next step is super important. You want to add 2 to 3 paper towels under the lid of your crock pot because you do not want the condensation to drip down onto the crust. Now, after putting it in the crock pot for 3 hours on high, I went ahead and took the paper towel off. Look how good that looks. And then I went ahead and put it in a cup, finished it off with topping it with some almonds and some fresh vanilla ice cream. Oh my God, that was so delicious. I can't believe I made that. Easy breezy. You can't find these recipes anywhere else. You need to be subscribed to my channel, like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. I do post new videos weekly, so go ahead and share this video on all of your social media links. Click that bell notification for all updates, and I will see you guys on the next video.